Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can reset your passport if you forgot it on your PC. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up Instagram on your Google Chrome on your laptop, and then you just have to go into the more options, which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, just go on to settings, and then as the setting opens up, go on to Account Center and click on See More in Account Center. After doing so, you'll be taken to a different page where now you can just go on to Password and Security. After that, you can click on Change Password. Here, select the account that you want your password to be changed. Now, you need to input your current passport and a new passport, but in case if you forgot your current passport, you can use this button Forgot Your Passport to help you with that and reset it completely. And that's how you can reset your passport if you forgot it on your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for your views. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.